If you don't like wasting money but still want a stunning home, then listen up. Let's dodge those costly renovation mistakes. Mistake number one, skipping the planning phase. Without a solid plan, you're just asking for trouble. Measure twice, cut once, folks. Next up, underestimating the budget. Renovations always cost more than you think. Always. Plan for 20% over your estimate, just in case. Number three, going DIY on everything. Sure, YouTube tutorials are great, but some jobs need a pro. Think plumbing and electrical. Safety first. Mistake four, ignoring permits. Skipping them can lead to fines or even tearing down your hard work. Not fun. Lastly, not considering resale value. Pick upgrades that add value, not just what's trendy. Your future, you will thank you. So there you have it. Avoid these pitfalls and turn your renovation into a win. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration. Happy renovating.